Hi guys, so I'm going in with my makeuprevolution concealer as my base for the eyeshadow look, and I'm taking these two colors from my Morphe 35B palette. The names and colors and everything will be in the description box below. So I'm just building up the purple shade here, and now I'm going in with the pink shade just to blend out the edges, just to soften the edges a bit. Now I'm taking that same concealer and I'm cutting my crease. I'm doing a half crease, I'm not cutting the full crease. Now I'm taking this lilac shade as my lid color, applying wherever I use the concealer to cut. And then I'm going back with the first purple shade to define my outer V. I'm taking this lipstick from Stila called Viola and using that as my eyeliner. I'm taking my Maybelline pore eraser and applying that all over my face. Next, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'm going in stippling motions because I want a fuller coverage of this foundation. For concealer, I'm taking the same concealer in C13 to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and then my chin. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it out. I'm using it damp because I want a more seamless and a more softer blend, and I don't want the blender to soak up the product. To set the areas I highlighted, I'm using my Airspun translucent setting powder, and I'm doing a little baking. Now for an all over face powder, I'm using my Zickel powder palette in those two shades, and I'm going all over the areas where I didn't set with powder. Now I'm taking my Maybelline powder in the shade Cacao, and I'm using that to bronze up my cheeks. I'm bringing back some warmth to my face, and I'm also using that as my contour. I went ahead to fix my lashes already. Now I'm highlighting my face with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and now for lips, I'm using the Stila lipstick and then my Forever lipstick in Fox. I'm first of all lining my lips with the Forever lipstick, and then I'm going to go in with my Stila in the center for an ombre look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This was very simple, I think. And please comment down below if you'd want me to do more looks and the kind of looks you'd want me to do, the kind of videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.